Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking you on the ride with me to Port Antonio. Yes, I've been on to Port Antonio on my mini vacation and it was great, you know, very great. So come along with me as I give you a mini tour of what happened in Port Antonio. Alright, stick around until the end of this video. You don't want to miss anything. Alright. So on my way, of course, I have to stop at my infant school, Amity All Primary. Yes, guys, I was sent to that school all the way, almost the border of Port Antonio. Can you imagine? And it was a weekend, so I didn't get to go on the inside, but I did went up the hill to give you a little preview of what we saw. All right, so take a look. From the outside, I could see that the school is well kept. The lawn is beautiful. The outside of the school is on point. The seating, everything was good. And the painting on the walls were beautifully done. Marvelous. So come along and enjoy the scenery of my infant school back in the days. Still standing strong. Remember these pipes? Yes, back in the day, several of us were drinking water, washing our hands at this pipe, still standing here today. So guys, as I said before, it was weekend, so the classrooms were closed, but I bet you the decks and chair that I used to sit on is still in place or replaced, but the seating arrangement is the same. All right. We met upon these friends on our way back down. They're having fun. They're eating some grass and having fun. So guys, I couldn't resist. I had to take a picture of this great sign, right? So yes, there's memories. And then we are off to Port Antonio. Look at the beautiful road, the beautiful scenery. Yes, the beautiful, beautiful parish. Yes guys, I was so excited to see this sign. Finally get to take a picture with it. Yes, Portland. This is to say that I've been there. Alright guys, beautiful. Then we continue on our journey. Can't wait to see the excited parish, the beautiful, beautiful Portland parish. What a beautiful scenery. Look at the beautiful beach. Look at the sky almost touching that blue sea. It's beautiful, breathtaking. That sound of the waves does something to me. It's so relaxing. It's just marvelous. God's creation. Ram goat soup, of course, on the journey. Oh wow, the beautiful Boston Beach sign. Yes, welcome to Boston, the place of jerk pork, of course. Yeah, and we are off to get our pork. All right. Boston Jerk Center. So yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah. And of course, we wash it down with some real Jamaican coconut water. Then we are off again. Visited the beautiful Frenchman Cove. Just look on the outside. I've been there before. So I decided, oh, let me try a new beach. But it was great going around there. Yeah. And this is where I wanted to go, Winifred Beach. Yes, the road was long, a little bit long, not so smooth, but yes, on our way to Winifred's Beach. So guys, we're on to the property of Winifred Beach. All they ask for is a contribution. So yes, give them a contribution and wait to see. Right? And what a beautiful beach it was. Yes, I had a great time swimming. Try to swim, that is. Come from St. Thomas on North Beach there, and I can't swim, but at least I enjoy myself. So, yeah. Well, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!